Hey, welcome to another episode of Beers, Jacket, Barbecue. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to be doing an unboxing of the new Weber Performer charcoal grill. So happy birthday to me. Actually, my wife said, what do you want for my birthday? I said, I want a charcoal grill. And she said, go ahead. So this is what I got. I didn't want to go crazy with a charcoal grill, but I did want to get a nice one. As you know, I have the Komodo Joe, which I love and use for almost everything. We also have a gas grill, which I do some finishing after some sous vide. But I want to do some more searing, and I'll even do some other longer cooks with this in the future. But initially, I wanted to be able to do some sous vide, do a nice quick sear, or even just, like I said, bring it up low and slow and then do a fast sear at the end. Kind of what I'm going for this grill, and I'm sure it'll expand as I get better with using the grill. But today we're just going to kind of show you the unboxing, put it together. I'm actually going to do just the initial light, burn everything off a little bit as like the first cook on, not a cook, but actually the first fire in it. And that's going to be all we're going to do today. So we'll see you soon as we unpack this thing and start putting it together. All right, so here it is. 3 minutes later, all together, piece of cake. Actually, a few instructions that didn't go so well. But you might see those in the video, depends on what gets cut out here. But nice grill. So everything you see here, lid comes off, sits in here, pretty nice. Can't see the grate, but the grate is the original one. The side table are the wheels. Let me lock the wheel. Not the easiest from the side here, but actually lays down really nice, real nice side table. Going to be using that a lot. The reason I got the Performer, I wanted a better ash bucket. So it comes out real simple. Goes in real simple. That's a piece that we had to kind of yux it a little bit to get inside. And then the clean out to get the charcoal out. So nice little set for your tools. Then you got the nice thermometer at the top, getting all your readings. So looking forward to it. So like I said, this one's coming out pretty quick after we put it together, and we're going to do our first shoot on this one. It's going to be some tomahawk ribeyes. So looking forward to firing up tonight. We'll actually probably show you a little video of it. As far as that goes, just going to put a first fire in it, let it burn out, and then we'll go from there. As always, that tastes good. All right, so here we are at the end of the unboxing of the Weber Performer. As you can see, we put it together, got the first charcoal going, lit, ready to go. I also got the slow and sear to use on this, so we'll show you a little bit more on that in the future. But also wanted to thank my wife again for my birthday gift here. Fantastic gift, looking to do some great cooks. So as I mentioned before, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, get the updates, give us a thumbs up, leave some comments, and let us know what you think. So we'll see you next time.